Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and I'm here today to showcase and announce the winner of last month's Mystery Card Live. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Last month, I got together with interested die cut and paper trimmer level channel members for a little mystery card live. By now, everyone knows it isn't really a mystery card. It is just a sneak peek and putting together the upcoming sheetload of cards. So at the end of September, we put together one of the cards using October's instructions. Members could play along and be entered to win a crafty prize from my treasure box. So today I'll be sharing a look at those cards with you and announcing the lucky winner. Now, if you're not yet a channel member and you would like to find out more about the perks, you can click on it's either subscribe plus or join button below this video to find out more. Now, clicking on that button does not sign you up. It just takes you to the page where you can see the different levels and perks. And before I get further into the video, I would like to know, do you like live streams and crafty prizes? If so, you're going to want to join me for the rest of my Craftoween Live 2025 series, where I go live each morning at 10 a.m. Central through the end of the month to get crafty with the Spellbinders Craftoween Advent Calendar box. Not only can live viewers win my daily creations, but subscribers can collect the secret words and enter to win one of 3 Craftoween boxes I have to give away. Now, if you already have the Craftoween box, I do have some consolation prizes for 2 lucky winners. To find out more, I will have the playlist linked down in that description box below. And I will also add it as an end card at the end of this video. Hey crafty friends, it is Editing Alicia here, and as a little thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, I have a bonus secret word for you. So if you have been collecting the secret words from the daily live streams, you're going to want to get out that secret word tracker and write this one in the bonus section. Don't forget, these are secret words. Do not give away in the comments or anywhere else that there's a bonus word, because I want those of you who are watching this video to be the ones who get this bonus word. Please do go ahead and smash that like button if you're going to use this one, and on your secret word tracker you will want to write the word winner down in the bonus word section. W-I-N-N-E-R, winner. Thanks so much, guys. In front of me is the card that I made when I gave the mystery card instructions during the live stream. So you might recognize this fun fold from the October 2025 sheet load. And now let's take a look at all of the cards that were submitted. Weren't those all so fun to see? Thank you to everyone who took the time to enter. And before I announce the winner, why don't we go ahead and take a look at this month's prize? To go with the fall and leaves theme of the card I made that night, and to go with the season that I am currently in, the lucky winner of this one will get the Lovely Leaves Combo Club. This was a Tailored Expressions subscription that ended just last month, and it is a 3D embossing folder and layering stencil combo. And when you stencil it and emboss it, it looks like that on the front. Now, if the winner does already have this, we can chat about an alternative prize. Now let's find out who the lucky winner is. Congratulations! I will be in touch to find out if you have this or to confirm your address so I can get it sent on its way. And again, to all the members who participated, thank you so much. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.